Farming, it's not for the faint of heart. Out here, you're at the mercy of Mother Nature. Rain or shine, work has to get done. That's why it's crucial to have the right equipment for the job. Introducing the Ryan NT gauge wheel. The coil gauge wheel came about from a leading agronomist in Australia. If we could help the farmer plant quicker and be more productive in planting season and not lose any time.
We've also been able to run earlier in the day in wetter conditions and later in wetter conditions. So that's opened up our window of planting in small windows of planting and get done quicker.
Because you have one chance to get your crop in. When it's time to go, it is go time. You don't want to be trying to fix things with wore out equipment. The Ryan NT wheels, they will last.
The cost of these air seeders can be astronomical on rebuilds. So the longer we extend that, the better cost per acre we're experiencing.
The cast and metal is not going to wear out like the rubber tire would.
When we plant into cotton stalks, they really eat into these rubber wheels. That's one more less stressor that we have to worry about going to a steel wheel.
And the cast cutting edge, it slices the mud off.
They keep turning where the rubber tire, we've seen them get plugged up. The Ryan NT wheels will keep turning.
We ran these in multiple soil zones and we're still not experiencing caking and sticking and mucky soils on those wheels. So we're able to really get through a lot of different conditions.
And it gave a smoother ride too, with it being a spring. It acted as a cushion.
They take a lot of the absorption of the row bounce, improving good ride, which improves our uniformity of seed placement, seed depth, which improves our germination and our uniformity of germination, which adds the bottom line in yields.
It's got so many more advantages than the standard rubber wheel that we've been accustomed to over the years. And if you're looking for productivity, this is the wheel, the Ryan NT wheel.